What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Sprinkle Sugar Pop. If you are new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this beautiful Halloween themed Cakesicles. I am so excited to create all these Halloween themed tutorials that I have in mind. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new so you won't miss out on any future videos. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so here are the things you need. Some cake dough for your Cakesicles, some Halloween themed sprinkles, edible paint by Poppy Paint, some mini cupcake liners, acrylic Cakesicle sticks, 2 brushes, one for your luster dust and for your paint, some silver luster dust, white chocolate and black chocolate, a bat fondant cutter, and your alphabet mold, some ice sprinkles, and orange. I am using orange, the orange by Color Mill, and then some black fondant, some lemon extract, and your Cakesicle silicone mold. Okay, so once your white chocolate and your black chocolate is fully melted, you're gonna go ahead and separate the white chocolate into 2 parts because we will be making a white Cakesicle and 2 orange Cakesicles. Okay, so fun fact, well, not so fun, but I was having so much trouble making these Cakesicles because it was so hot. And the weather, not the chocolate, okay? The weather, it was super hot, and then my freaking hands were super sweating, and those gloves were not my size. I believe they were like extra large or large, I don't know. I normally wear like medium or small, so it was just, oh my god, it was just not a good day. But I'm happy that these Cakesicles came out cute and the video came out good too as well. So I was thinking maybe start recording at night. Once the weather cools down, I can record during the day. But the only thing I don't like about recording at night is that the lighting, it's not so good. I personally prefer natural lighting over like a ring light, but we'll see. I'll figure something out. I forgot to mention that there's 2 sizes for the Cakesicle sticks. I normally use the mini ones for this type of Cakesicle mold, but since they didn't have any mini ones in stock, I had to get the big ones. That's why they look super big, but I mean, it works. Also, some of you guys might be wondering why I have hair polybands on my Cakesicle mold, and that's because it keeps the Cakesicle stick in place. Once you're done, go ahead and pop it in the fridge for a couple minutes until the chocolate hardens. Meanwhile, your chocolate hardens, you can start working on your bat. All you need is just a small amount of black fondant. Fondant is so fun, so I highly recommend you guys to start working with fondant. I know at first it's a little bit tricky, but you will get the hang of it, trust me, and you will enjoy it. By the way, the fondant that I love to use is by Wilton. You can find it at your local craft stores like Joann's, Michael's. You can even find them at some grocery stores. The reason why I love this fondant is because it works so good. I know that there's some type of fondants out there that you have to use cornstarch in order for your fondant to not stick to your silicone mold, but with this one I haven't had that issue, so that's why I love using this fondant. Okay, so now that your chocolate is hard, you can go ahead and start adding a second layer, but only focus on the sides. You really don't need more chocolate in the middle, so just the sides, because so when you take it off, like pop it off of the mold, it will be easy to remove or demold and it won't break on you. Alright, our cakesicles are ready for some cake dough. This is super fun. I totally enjoy doing this process. It's so satisfying. Also, make sure to press down slightly so you can get that cake dough under the acrylic stick. Okay, so I am very curious. Have you started creating Halloween themed boxes? Because a lot of people say it's too soon, but honestly, I feel like it's about the right time because Halloween is around the corner. So why not start that Halloween vibe already, you know? Comment down below. I'm very curious. Okay, so once you're done with this step, you can go ahead and pop it in the fridge for a couple minutes until the chocolate fully hardens. It's time to demold our cakesicles. You want to do this process very carefully. Okay, so I know that the edges look a little rough, but that's okay. We will be fixing that right now. There will be some times where you get rough edges, but that's totally fine. You can go ahead and cut off the excess chocolate with some scissors, but make sure those scissors are only used for chocolate. Now it's time to decorate our beautiful cakesicles. This is the fun part where you guys get creative. I am so excited to create more Halloween themed cakesicles. I recently purchased a lot of cute blends from Fancy Sprinkles. And guess what? I have a coupon for you guys. You guys will receive 15% off of your order. They have a lot of freaking cute Halloween blends and silicone molds. I will be inserting pictures here so you guys can see what I'm talking about because they are so freaking cute and they will sell out fast. So go ahead and check it out and buy some sprinkles before they are gone. Oh my god, tell me why the other day that I was working on a order, I was working with luster, right? And you know how you add like lemon extract or whatever? So when I started doing this step, some of that freaking lemon luster thing got in my eye. It was so painful, you guys. Like, oh my god. But now that I think about it, it was funny. But yeah, it's just, oh no, I was just like, oh my god. Okay, so look, those are the molds that I bought. The little ghost one, it's so cute, you guys. You guys should totally get it. Use my coupon code so you guys can save some money. Okay, so going back to the luster dust topic, now that I work with luster dust, what I do is I go inside my shirt to cover my eyes because I am not trying to experience that again. I'm low-key thinking of buying some goggles. I'm just playing, or maybe I should, I don't know. Because that was not a good experience. I just couldn't see for a couple minutes. It was really painful. finally done, you guys. I went ahead and added the letters off camera, but this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys learned something new. Comment down below what theme should I do next, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and for your support. God bless. Thank you.